If you want to change the aspect ratio on a project in CapCut, it's very simple to do, and you do not need Pro to do this. So you can do this on the free version. So go ahead and open up a new video or just choose an older project. So I'm just going to choose this project that I have here. It's important to know that do not select the actual clip. So just go ahead and click out of there because the menus will be different if you're on a video or not. So make sure your video is not selected. And you want to focus on the menu at the very bottom here, and you want to scroll through until you find aspect ratio. So from here, you have a lot of options. As you see, some of them are labeled for different social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. So you can go through and choose what you want. So they have a lot of different ratios here. I'm just going to keep it easy and have this for a TikTok export, and as you see, it will change the actual framing live in person. So once you do that, go ahead and hit the check mark at the bottom right hand corner, and then from that point forward, you'll be able to export in that ratio if it's for TikTok or any other social media platform that you want to use. And that's it. It's very simple. Go hit export at the top right corner, and you are done.